Afghanistan Taliban's government has sparked controversy by declaring Kashmir as an internal matter of India during a high-level meeting in New Delhi. Pakistan has strongly condemned the declaration, summoning the Afghan ambassador to convey its strong reservations. The move has strained Afghan-Pakistan relations, already tense over issues like terrorism. India views the Taliban's stance as a diplomatic win, bolstering its outreach to Kabul. The controversy it highlights the complex dynamics of regional politics, with implications for Kashmir's disputed status and the rights of its people. Indian troops have martyred two Kashmiri youth in a staged encounter during a cordon and search operation in Kupwara district's Machal area. The operation, launched on Monday, is ongoing. Observers attribute such killings to India's strategy to suppress Kashmiri's struggle for self-determination. Pakistan's condemned India's recycled script of distortions on Jammu and Kashmir at the UN, demanding action to resolve the issue. Asif Khan, Pakistan's permanent mission to the UN, criticized India's disinformation and intolerance, stating that UN has both the right and obligation to discuss the Kashmir dispute. Khan accused India of state terrorism, human rights abuses, and sponsoring terrorist proxies like TTP and BLA. He reaffirmed Kashmir's status as a disputed territory, emphasizing the Kashmiri people's UN-mandated right to self-determination. Pakistan will continue to support Kashmiris in their struggle for justice, dignity, and freedom. Indian forces have targeted several houses belonging to Jamaat-e-Islami and Hurriyat leaders and activists in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The raids were carried out under heavy security cover, and property papers, bank documents, and religious books were seized. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has denounced the raids, terming them part of India's systematic campaign to terrorize the Kashmiri people.